Sales are down, prices are down, but nobody talks about this one number, and it is changing quietly. Oh yeah, it looks bad on paper. October sales were down 9.5% compared to October 2024. The average selling price was also down by 7.2% year over year. New listings were up 2.7%. Those are the headlines numbers you see everywhere. But there's one number nobody is talking about: the rate at which inventory is being absorbed. Despite sales being down in October, inventory is actually shrinking. In September, we had 29,394 active listings across the GTA. By October, the number came down to 27,808. That's a 5.4% reduction in just 1 month. Go back to June, we had 31,603 listings flooding the market. In 4 months, we have cut that by 12%. Now I get it. The market is bad. The atmosphere is bad, and you hear negative news everywhere. Everyone feels like nothing is moving. But if you look at the numbers, we are actually making slow and steady progress. Even condos. In June, we had over 10,000 active condo listings in the GTA. Now we are down to 8,896. That's a 15% reduction in 4 months. Month to month, it is a 3.7% cut from September. At the current sales pace, it would take 5.7 months to absorb the entire condo inventory if no new listings come to the market. Detached homes. Inventory came down 9% since June to 12,879 listings, and we have 4.5 months of inventory. It was not as dramatic as 15% reduction in condo listings. That's because first-time buyers are the main drivers of the market right now, and they are hunting for entry-level products. Entry-level condos are the easiest to sell, but also the most painful for sellers. Buyers see value. Sellers see rock-bottom prices. Same market, opposite emotions. What do I think about the recent rate cut? I don't think it's going to change much at all. The market sentiment is still negative, so we won't see a sudden boost. But it will help first-time buyers. The overnight rate is now 2.25%, down from 5% peak. You can already find mortgage rates below 4%. For buyers crunching the numbers, that's a big deal. And it's also helped investors who are renewing their mortgages. They are under less pressure to sell. So you will see more first-time buyers coming in, fewer investors forced to sell. And that's the same slow, steady absorption will continue. Nothing dramatic, just quiet progress. How long do we have to wait? Good question. Inventory has to come down. That's the key. Back in October 2019, we had around 15,000 active listings on the market, and we have around 27,000 now. If we keep absorbing at about 5% per month, we will reach that 15,000 mark by the end of 2026. And when that happens, that's when prices will start to move again. Next week, I will show you one hidden factor that could speed up this recovery and help push inventory even lower.